Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a stock which has reported a profit growth of 270% year on year, which is a whopping growth rate. This company also has a very differentiated business model from those of its peers, and this makes it stand apart from the crowd. Now friends, if you have not already become a member on our channel, please click on the blue join button below and follow the steps. This will entitle you to member-only privileges on Profit and Equities. Also, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like these videos, share these videos, and if you have not already become a subscriber to this channel, please click on the red subscribe button below. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Godrej Properties Limited, which is available at rupees 829.90 and the face value for it is 5. The symbol for it is GODREJPROP. Now Godrej Properties Limited is a real estate company engaged in construction and real estate development. The company focuses on developing residential, commercial and township projects spread across approximately 11.89 million square meters in over 10 cities. Now Godrej Properties on Tuesday reported a 270.53% year-on-year rise in consolidated net profit at rupees 156.66 crores the quarter ended March 31, 2019. It had posted a net profit of rupees 42.28 crores in the corresponding quarter of last year. Total income for the real estate player jumped 125.70% year-on-year to rupees 1203.21 crores in Q4 FY 2019 over rupees 533.09 crores in Q4 of FY 18. Now the board has not recommended any dividend on equity shares for the financial year ended March 31, 2019. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, this company went on a downtrend for the first half of the year but has absolutely reversed it in the latter half of the year. In fact, this has stood strong when the markets around it were collapsing. The market cap of the company is 19,031.57 crores, which means that this company is a mid-cap one. The EPS of 10.38 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 79.95, which is very expensive when compared with the industry PE of 25.04. The price to book ratio of 8.47 is also on the expensive side. The company did not pay out any dividends. However, the promoter holding here is a very strong number and stands at 70.83%. Also, none of the promoter holding is blessed. Now friends, a company which is trading at very high valuations needs to back it up with very high growth rate, and this is what this company has done. Now please don't treat this as a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all of the content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.